first grade. I wanted to teach you two phonics rules today. They are the doubling rule and the dropping rule. Last week, Mrs. Kosis went over the doubling rule, but I just want to go and review that with you again today, and then we'll talk about the dropping rule. So let's look up here at the word drip plus the suffix ed. So we're going to take a look at the root word first, and we're going to see that it has a vowel and a consonant at the end of the word. When that happens, when there's one vowel and one consonant at the end of the root word, we can put a check mark in the box. Now let's look at the suffix. It begins with the letter E, and E is a vowel, so this is a vowel suffix. So we can put a check mark in that box as well. So now we have two check marks. So now we can double the last consonant in the root word, which would be the P. So when we write dripped, we're going to write it D-R-I-P-P-E-D. And now the word is dripped, like the rain dripped down the boy's face. Dripped. All right, the other rule that we're going to talk about is the dropping rule. So let's look at the word hide plus ing. And we'll put our boxes above. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the word hide. And I see that there's a silent E at the end of this word. We call it the sneaky E. When this happens, we're going to put a check mark in the box. Now we're going to look at the suffix. It begins with an I. So this is a vowel suffix. So we're going to put a check mark in the box. When we have two check marks, what we're going to do is we're going to drop the E and add ing. So we're going to write hiding, H-I-D-I-N-G. And now the word is hiding. All right, so that is the dropping rule. I want to go over a couple of tricky things that you might see on your assignment tonight. So let's look at these words. Let's look at the word sleep plus less. All right. So the first thing that we need to look at to see if there is a vowel consonant or sneaky E. Well, I don't see a sneaky E. I do see a vowel consonant, but I'm noticing that that vowel is part of a vowel digraph. When that happens, we cannot count that as a single vowel. So we cannot put a check mark in the box because these belong together and we just need one single vowel. These work together, so we cannot put a check mark in the box. If you forgot your vowel consonants, please look in the back of your homework folder and they'll have all the vowel digraphs for you. And now let's look at the suffix les, s, L-E-S-S. Look at the L. That is not a vowel. L is a consonant. So again, we can't put a check in that box either. So now we don't have any checks. We don't have a check on the root word or the suffix. In that case, we are just going to write the root word and add the suffix. So the word would be sleep plus sleepless. All right, so we didn't have to double and we didn't have to drop a silent E. We just added the suffix. All right, and then one more. That is fun plus the suffix Y. I'm going to put my boxes up here. Okay, let's take a look at the word fun. I'm noticing it does end with one vowel and one consonant, so we can put a check mark there. Now, the Y, what is the Y saying? it is a vowel sound. It's saying E. So when that happens, we can count it as a vowel suffix. And so we're going to put a check mark above the Y. So when we have two check marks, remember, you will double that final consonant in the root word, which would be N, right? And so when we write the word fun, F-U-N, we have to double that consonant and then add the suffix. And now you have the word funny. All right, boys and girls, that is our lesson today about the doubling rule and the dropping rule. You will have an assignment, and you can send it to us to see how you did. Have a good day.